Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms. It is about understanding. So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. So let us explore about the operation of integers the easiest and fastest way. How to add and subtract integers. As you can see in the number line, going to right is positive and going to left is negative. Example number 1. Negative 7 plus 6. What is the answer? So this is negative 7. So positive 6 going to right. So let us count. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So negative 7 plus 6, the answer is equal to negative 1. How about number 2? 3 minus 6, so this is 3. Negative 6 going to left, so let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means 3 minus 6, the answer is equal to negative 3. Five shortcuts in operations of integers. So what could be the idea of minus negative or plus negative in the example 3 minus negative 6 and 2 plus negative 5? It is also written in the first example 3 minus the parenthesis negative 6. So negative times negative, the answer is positive 6. So 3 plus 6, the answer is equal to 9. How about number 2? It is also written as 2 plus the parenthesis negative 5. So it means positive times negative. So 2 minus 5, the answer is equal to negative 3. How to get negative 3? So let us check using the number line. So this is positive 2. Negative 5 going to left. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So 2 minus 5, the answer is equal to negative 3. So how to add or subtract of two numbers? If we have same sign, add and keep the sign. If different sign, subtract and copy the sign of the larger number. So let us apply in the given negative 3 minus 5. So both of them is negative. That is negative 3 and negative 5. So it means it is also written as negative 3 plus negative 5. So we have the same sign. So it means add and keep the sign. So 3 plus 5 is 8 and then keep the sign. So the answer is equal to negative 8. Next, number 2. Negative 7 minus 6. So add and keep the sign. So negative 13. Next, third example. Negative 7 plus 4 is different sign. So it means we need to subtract and copy the sign of the larger number. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Copy the sign of the larger number, mataas yung 7, so the answer is equal to negative 3. Next, fourth example. Negative 8 plus 3. So, different sign, subtract. So, 8 minus 3 is 5. And then, copy the sign of the larger number. So, negative 8 plus 3, the answer is equal to negative 5. So, how to combine multiple numbers with different signs? So, let us add all like signs and combine all integers. In the example, negative 3 plus 4 minus 5 plus 2 minus 7 plus 3 is equal to the blank. Ano ko yung blank na yun? So, let us add all negative and add all positive. So, let us try. So, negative 3 minus 5, that is equal to negative 8. Negative 8 minus 7, the answer is equal to negative 15. So, how about positive? 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 3, that is equal to 9. Next, negative 15 plus 9. So, different sign, subtract, and copy the sign of the larger number. So, that is equal to negative 6. Next, let us proceed. Number 2. 8 plus 5 minus 6 minus 3 plus 6 minus 9. What's the answer? So, let us add all positive. So, 8 plus 5, so that is equal to 13. 13 plus 6, the answer is equal to 19. Next, add all the negative. Negative 6 minus 3 is negative 9. Minus 9, the answer is equal to negative 18. So 19 minus 18, the final answer is equal to 1. So what could be the shortcut in multiplying and dividing two numbers? If we have the same sign, the sign should be positive. If different sign, the sign must be negative. Okay, example. Negative 6 times negative 3. Both negative, so the answer is positive. So it means positive 18. Next, negative 75 divided by negative 15. So it means same sign. The answer is positive. So the answer is equal to positive 5. Third one, 7 times negative 3. 7 times negative 3 is different sign. So the answer is negative. So 7 times 3 is 21 and then the sign should be negative 21. How about this one? Negative 45 divided by 3. So it means negative divided by positive. It is negative. So the answer is equal to negative 15. How about the exponents on negative integers? So if the exponent is even, the sign should be positive. If the exponent is odd, the sign should be negative. Okay, let us apply. Negative 2 to the fourth power. So 4 is even exponent, so it means the sign should be positive. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Next, second example. Negative 3 raised to the third power is odd exponent. So it means the sign should be negative. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And then the sign is negative 27. Let us practice what you have learned about the operations of integers. Let's do it and try to practice on your own. Provide your answers in the comment section. Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.